aluminite, also known as light-colored minerals, refers to the quartz in igneous rocks, and aluminosilicate minerals, with more potassium and sodium. Alumina or ball press is simple in structure, but can play a larger role. The equipment is very stable. The overall steel is strong. Inclined iron pressure structure, mainly used in non-hydraulic constant pressure ball press. Convenient structure adjustment will not cause wear. Its structure is to adjust the screw inclined iron downward movement. There is another inclined iron to provide a fixed thrust to the floating press roller, so that the press roller can work normally for a long time. There is a reaction spring device installed on the frame, and a sliding track. If the pressure of the alumina ball press is very large, the passive wheel on the track can be flexible and telescopic to ensure that the mechanical parts will not be damaged, to ensure the normal operation of the mechanical equipment.